Just wanted to share a quick hack here. I had saw this in some home I was at, that they had a cabinet built over their washer and dryer. So this is primarily for front load. If you had a top load, this wouldn't work. But what I did was I thought about this for a while. There are some sites that sell like a big acrylic covered or plastic covered tabletop for the top of the washer and dryer. And what I was finding was they were very expensive for those. So I just thought, well, there's got to be a way to get some material and make it happen for yourself. One thing is with storage in between the washer and dryer, you're going to lose several inches on each side because stuff is going to fall in between. And you can get a little bit extra storage on the ends with a little bit of overhang. But I have a plumbing drain line plumbed in here, so this doesn't really line up 100%, but it's probably gave me an extra third storage space. So this is just from Home Depot. This is a 1/2 inch thick, and it's 60 inches wide. 1/2 inch thick, 60 inches wide, so 5 feet, and 2 feet deep. You don't want to go too deep because your plumbing fixtures may interfere with the back end. There you have it. It's about $20. If Home Depot will have 5 foot or 4 foot sections wide, but the depth could be an issue. So they usually will cut these for free, Lowe's or Home Depot. But nice little hack, and comes in handy in the laundry area if you have front load washers. Thanks everyone for watching.